Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be teaching you how to make a sumptuous Ofada sauce. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so and make sure you turn on your notification bell. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. The ingredients I'll be using for the sauce are listed on the screen. Please do well to check it out. The first step is to chop the bell peppers and the scotch bonnet peppers. For this, ensure it is roughly chopped and not smooth. Put the blended pepper mix on fire and allow it to boil for 20 minutes or till the water is completely dry. Now this is ready, and we can also repeat the same process for the onions and the garlic. After this is done, then we can proceed to the next step. The protein I will be using for this are assorted meat, beef and goat meat. Pour all the protein in the pot and season with garlic, onions, seasoning cube. For the seasoning cube I use Knor chicken, salt, curry and thyme. Mix well to combine and add little quantity of water. Ensure the water is not too much so as to get a concentrated broth. Allow this to cook till it is completely tender. This should take around 30 to 35 minutes. The blended pepper mix is ready for the next step. Now the assorted meat is ready and we can proceed to the next step. In a pot, pour some quantity of palm oil or red oil and allow to heat up. Pour the assorted meats in the heated oil and allow this to fry deeply. Repeat the same process until the meats are exhausted. Once you're done frying, you can reduce the oil. This depends on the quantity of the pepper you're adding. In the same oil, adding onions, garlic, Locust beans, crayfish, dried fish. Mix all to combine and allow this to fry in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour the pepper mix and mix all to combine. Add in the seasoning cube. For this I'm using 3 cubes of Knor chicken, half teaspoon of salt. For this I'm going to add some quantity of oil, the next thing is to pour in the boiled eggs. For this I have like 10 pieces of eggs. So I'm going to add it to the sauce and mix all to combine. Cover and allow this to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. This is ready and we can add in the meat. Add in the meat and mix well to combine. Guys, this is ready and you can enjoy this with white rice or Ofada rice or any food of choice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like, and also hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.